Hi guys, and welcome back. Part 4. So as you can tell from the thumbnail, it is gearbox and engine going back together. I know this was a nightmare getting it apart, so there's going to be a lot of speeded up footage. I'll try and explain what I can, but yeah, bear with me today. Part 4. Hit that subscribe button, put a like on the video, pop any comments, any questions down below, and we'll see what happens today. Part 4, let's go.
Take a moment right here, feeling like it's out gear, driving towards the sun with a rose and a gun. Feel the wind in my hair, going nowhere I swear, like an outlaw on the run. Dangerous but it's so fun. Running, running, no. Hold on, don't let go. Running, running, no. Keep running.
Again, the sun is being a bit of a douche right now. Obviously, as I say, that's very close there. That bolt goes in there. There are bolts underneath as well. And that alignment dowel is there. That's a hole, so we're getting there. Slowly but surely. So you can probably work out from the sun that this is a few hours later. Basically, I don't know what happened, but the engine wasn't turning, so I fitted the gearbox. Was gonna obviously rotate the... Somebody thinks they're funny. Was gonna rotate the crank so that I can put the flywheel bolts in to bolt it to the gearbox. That didn't work at all, so we ended up taking the gearbox back off, checking everything. Now it rotates, and I'm going to re-put the gearbox on again for the second time. So as you can see, I don't know what it was, but I ended up undoing this tensioner. I ended up taking out the oil pump, and I couldn't really find out why it wouldn't rotate, but now everything is back done. I checked all the alignments because I messed up the alignment when I took this off, because this is torqued to 64 Newton meters, and just, yeah, literally a waste of 4 hours. And I'm back where I started this morning. I'm going to check the flywheel turns now, because I didn't check if the flywheel turned when I bolted it on and torqued it down. I just presumed it would not have an issue, so I'm going to check that this time, and we'll catch back. So you joined me back the next day, 24 hours. Yesterday I could not get the gearbox and the flywheel, torque converter and the flywheel bolts lined up. I don't know what I was doing. Pretty stressed out. So it's the end of another super hot day in Bournemouth. Been at work all day at the dealership, and I've come home and whack, straight away got the torque converter lined up with the flywheel bolts, popped them straight in. Everything went as it should. The crank is turning super easy, and everything is working as it should be. I'm about to now tighten up the bolts. I'll just show you. So I've got the gearbox all bolted in, locked down, secure. So the next thing that you need to do is where the starter goes. You can see the flywheel there, and you need to rotate the flywheel so that the bolts, there's one there, there's 6 bolts that attach the flywheel to the gearbox, so it's going to be a bit fiddly to film, but I'll do my best. Okay, so that's it. I've got the gearbox in, everything rotates. Next episode we're going to be putting the engine back in, give you a quick preview of that, because I've been trying to work out how easy it's going to be for me to do it. Please hit a like, please hit subscribe, and stay tuned for episode 5.
We're the rose in a gun, feel the wind in my hair.